Hi foodies, I'm Kanak. Welcome to my channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm going to show you how to make coconut curry chicken with potatoes. This is perfect as a main course with some rice or roti. It has got chunks of potatoes and chicken in it with coconut curry base. First heat oil in a wok. Add the onions and saute for around 2 minutes. Now put in the ginger garlic crush and stir again nicely until it is mixed with the onions. Now add in the chilies and saute and keep stirring it almost constantly until everything is softened for around 2 minutes. Next add in the black pepper and the curry powder and saute for around 30 seconds and put in a very little chicken stock immediately before the curry powder burns and keep mixing it. Now add the potatoes and some salt and cook for around 2 minutes until partially tender. Next add in the chicken pieces and the remaining stock and again stir it for some time. Now cover it with a lid and keep it on low flame for around 10 minutes until all the potatoes and chicken are nicely cooked and tender. Once it is 3/4 done, remove the lid and check. Now add in the coconut milk and stir well and simmer uncovered until the sauce is little thickened for around 4 to 5 minutes. Now taste it for some extra salt or pepper if you need and let it cook until the potatoes and chicken are nicely coated with the thick and creamy coconut gravy. Now close the flame and sprinkle some cilantro and again mix well. Now I am going to serve it with some cilantro on top with some coconut milk and some green chilies on top. Hope you like my coconut curry with chicken and potatoes, and this is not only a super flavorful dish but at the same time it is very easy to make and it is very healthy also, as it has got chunks of chicken and potatoes in it, and if you want you can also put in some peas. It has got nice thick and creamy texture and it goes very well with rice. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such lovely recipes.